In this video, how to create a circle video using Mask tool in Camtasia. For example, you want to create a circle talking head video. First, navigate to the Visual Effects section. Next, drag the mask effect onto your video clip in the timeline. To ensure the mask remains a perfect circle while resizing, hold down the Shift key as you adjust the size. For a more professional look, consider adding a border and transition effects to your video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.